Hello, my friend. Welcome back to your English listening practice. Today we will train your ears and your voice to understand and speak English naturally. You do not need to hurry. Just relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me when you are ready. Let's begin. Every day is a chance to learn something new. When you wake up in the morning, you can start your day with English. Listen to a small story, repeat it, and think in English. The more you listen, the better you understand. Now, imagine this. It is morning. The sun is shining. The room is quiet. You open your eyes. You look at the clock. It is 7 o'clock. You smile. You say, "Good morning." You get up, stretch your arms, and take a deep breath. You walk to the bathroom. You wash your face with cool water. You brush your teeth slowly. You look in the mirror and say, "I am ready for a new day." You go to the kitchen. You make some tea or coffee. The smell is nice. You sit near the window. You see the blue sky. You hear birds singing. You feel calm and happy. You take a sip of your drink. You think about your plans. Today, you want to learn English. You want to listen more. You want to understand better. You can do it. Now, let's listen to some short sentences. Repeat them slowly after me. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. I drink coffee. I go to work. I study English. I practice every day. Very good. When you repeat, try to copy my rhythm. Try to feel the sound of each word. English is music. Listen to the melody. Feel the movement of your tongue. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Now, imagine you are walking to the bus stop. The street is busy. You see cars, people, and shops. You hear sounds. Someone says, "Good morning." You answer, "Good morning, how are you?" The person smiles and says, "I'm fine, thank you." And you? You reply, "I'm great, thanks for asking." You wait for the bus. You look around. You see a small cafe. People are drinking coffee. You smell fresh bread. You feel hungry. You smile again. You get on the bus. You find a seat. You sit down and look out the window. The city is moving. Buildings, cars, trees, everything passes by. You listen to English on your headphones. A calm voice says, "Practice every day." You repeat slowly, "Practice every day." The voice says, "Listen with focus." You repeat, "Listen with focus." The voice says, "Do not translate." You repeat, "Do not translate." Now, you arrive at your stop. You get off the bus. You walk to your class. The teacher smiles. You sit down. The lesson begins. The teacher says, "Repeat after me." You listen carefully. You say the words. You hear yourself. You feel more confident. This is progress. Later, you go to the store. You need some food. You take a basket. You walk slowly. You look at the shelves. You see apples, bananas, rice, milk, and bread. You pick some. You go to the cashier. The cashier says, "Hello, how are you?" You answer, "I'm good, thank you." "How much is this?" The cashier says, $5, please." You pay. You say, "Thank you. Have a nice day." The cashier smiles and says, "You too." Simple English. Real English. When you learn English, focus on rhythm. Listen to how words connect. Native speakers do not speak word by word. They link the sounds. Like this, gonna means going to. Wanna means want to. Gotcha means got you. When you hear these sounds, do not be confused. Just listen. Feel the meaning. Let's try again. I'm gonna call my friend. I wanna go outside. Gotcha, see you later. These are natural expressions. When you repeat them, you sound more fluent. Now, imagine it's evening. The day is ending. You come home. You feel tired but happy. You learned new words. You practiced listening. You spoke aloud. You improved. You turn on some music. You cook dinner. You sit down. You enjoy your food. You think in English for a few minutes. You say in your mind, today I learned. Today I spoke. Today I am proud. This is how progress happens. Slowly. Naturally. Step by step. Every word you listen to, every sound you repeat, builds your confidence. It's not about perfection. It's about practice. When you make mistakes, it's okay. That's how you learn. Now, let's review. Repeat after me. I can listen in English. I can understand better. I can speak with confidence. I can improve every day. I believe in myself. I enjoy learning. English is part of my life. Excellent. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Remember, the secret is consistency. 10 minutes a day is better than 1 hour a week. Listen every morning. Speak every evening. Think in English all the time. Now, take a deep breath. Relax. You did a good job today. Your ears are learning. Your mouth is learning. Your brain is learning. Every time you listen, you grow. Every time you repeat, you improve. Thank you for joining this practice. I am proud of you. Keep going. Keep listening. Keep speaking. You are becoming more natural, more confident, and more fluent. I will see you in the next practice. Until then, remember, the more you listen, the better you speak. Goodbye for now.